Overnight, swastikas found in the classroom of a Jewish teacher at Andover High School. Nicole Jacobs is live there this morning with how the school is reacting. Nicole?
Kate, due to the timing of this incident and the teacher on the receiving end of it, authorities are investigating this as a hate crime. But this is not the first brush with swastikas Andover High School has encountered. Just in the last few months, they've had 3 incidents. But in this case, we're told 3 swastikas were scrawled on classroom desks in a Jewish teacher's classroom. All of this happening Tuesday, just hours before Hanukkah celebrations were set to begin. The town manager, the police department, the school system now all banding together to send a very strong message to whoever is responsible. The school superintendent releasing a statement reading in part, "We must respond to the situation that presents itself to us, and we cannot ignore hatred and intolerance because they are uncomfortable topics of conversation. We must educate ourselves and our children." The principal here at the school says he believes it's a small group of individuals involved in these situations, but he says it has created a hostile environment here at the school. Now, he and all who are involved in this investigation say they will do whatever they can to prevent this type of hate at the school and in the community. We're live in Andover. Nicole Jacobs, WBZ This Morning.